I'm so excited. I have my nail desk finally. I have been rearranging my lash room and I'm so excited to have this new space set up to do my nails. And so I just wanted to show you that really quick before we get into this next video. I'm so excited. This is like my first video where I'm sitting at my nail desk and I'm just so excited about what's to come from this. So it's time for me to do my July Charm Box unboxing. And this time I actually ordered a couple things on the side, so I wanted to show you those as well. I've always wanted one of these tool picker-upper thingy-mabobs, so I went ahead and ordered this so that I can pick up and play with like some rhinestones and things like that. So we're gonna like see what's up with this by the end of the video. I also got this cute little silicone box storage set. So it's 3 little boxes in one. And I got these because with all of the charm boxes that I've gotten so far. Oh, okay. I was like, oh my God, it's 3 boxes, right? Okay, so I got these because I have like rhinestones and jewels and things like that, and I want to go ahead and get those organized so that they're not just sitting in the plastic bags and things like that, and maybe it'll just make it a little bit easier for me. So I thought these were silicone, but it's actually like a plastic. I actually was really looking forward to it being silicone, and I feel like that's how it was advertised. So I'm not really sure how I feel about that, but I thought they were cute. You can see like it was like a little bit hard to open. Okay, I'll get that in a minute. But I can't wait to fill these boxes. So these are the heart-shaped storage containers. I guess I'll leave them here so you can see it if you want. And then of course my famous peel it off base gel. So this is like my thing. I went to the après certification class. I can't wait to tell you guys about that. But I got this peel off base gel underneath the set that one of the girls did for me, and they've been on at this point for almost 2 weeks and they're doing great. So I'm really, really excited about this when I start to do clients, because my lash clients ask me, oh my God, I have to open this box, so I need to untape that really quick, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I was able to pick up my lid and cut open this box. So let's see what they have, what Daily Charme has for us for the month of July. Typically I get to watch like the Instagram videos and things like that just to kind of have like that sneak peek of what's going to be in the box. And this time, you guys, I did not even get to do that. So it's a surprise for both of us. So these are the looks that they curated with the items in the box. So let's see what's up. They always have the code 15% off your next order. So check that out with Summer Fun. And these are the items that are in the box. So let's go ahead and take a look. We've got Flamingo Flare, Teal Appeal. These are the colors. Blue Chrome Powder. Oh my God, I've never been more excited. Okay, look, $25 for just Blue Chrome. I'm just already here for this. Seashell Charms, crystals, some resin mix. Ooh, gold foil. That's always a vibe. Flower and Moonstone box. How fun. Some little studs. Foils. I love foils. Sunny Side Up. Okay, so maybe that's a color or something. Stickers, glitters, a silicone mold. I never really use the molds. I don't really work with acrylic and things like that, but maybe I'll try the molds. And a silicone applicator. Wow, that's hilarious because I literally just got like a little tool. So let's see. I always love the cute little stuff at the top. It's so fun. It's a vibe. Oh, nice. So this seems like a little buffing block or something like that. I really need to be knowing what this stuff is before I show you guys. But this seems like, oh, yes. Oh my God, heart-shaped nail buffer. Super cute. And then this triangle studs are a bonus too. But cute little nail buffer. I mean, who doesn't always need a nail buffer? Pretty foils. Oh my God, let's just go ahead and take it out of the plastic. I hate putting like trash in my nail supply box, but this will be interesting to try to figure out some ways to use like this tinsel looking stuff. Very interesting. See, I already have, they always give you like some sort of crystals and rhinestones. So this is why I got these boxes on the sides. And it was really cool because I just love like VIP and like great customer service. So I was able to write them when I got the email confirming my Charm Box subscription. And I wrote them and let them know like, hey, I wanted to add on these 3 items, my little tool, the boxes, and the peel off gel. So they actually just added it to my order, which is super VIP. They sent me an invoice. It was really great. So I'm gonna make sure I put some of these in the boxes. How cute. These are like super fun for summer. Cute little seashell stuff. I just went to go see The Little Mermaid here in Vegas at the Super Summer Theater. It was so cute. Oh my God, it was such a vibe. These are kind of cute, you know, why not? It's like, again, this is not me, but, you know, maybe I'll do like some fun little summer nails, and it's nice that I do them all like peel off, so I don't even have to wear it that long. These are some cute little studs and things. Oh, these flowers are super cute. Such a vibe. Little things like this, I low-key hate it, but these are kind of cute. I like how, you know, they're just gold and there's like some little sun pieces and stuff like that. I'm an astrology kind of girl, so I will use stuff like this. I'll probably find a way to incorporate it into some of my sets. How hilarious. I mean, I just love that they gave you a tool though. So this is a silicone applicator. It's great for applying chromes, which is amazing because I typically use my finger for applying chromes. So this is going to be really cool. And I don't know, just a little more like sanitary, easier, less messy, all that. So I'm really excited for this little silicone tool. These little things I really appreciate in these boxes. Ooh, it feels so squishy and cute. I love it. I love it. Can you see it bounce? It's so fun. Oh my God, I'm so excited to be able to apply chromes with this. And it says it also works as a little mini stamper, which I've always wanted to get into. I'm super excited. So we're gonna see how we play with this. These are cute. Super under the sea, under the sea. I like this. Wow, I can't even not pull this out right now. What? Because I'm not like a huge nail art girl. So stuff like this, oh my God, what a vibe. Can you see like how some things might look on here? I don't even think it's giving us a taste of what these foils are about to be like. They're such a vibe. They're like super hippie and like trippy. I am absolutely in love. I'm so happy that I did not cancel my Charm Box. If you watched my video about is it worth it to have a daily Charm Box subscription, y'all, what was it that I was so excited about? I'm just here for this. I'm here for, oh yeah, the chrome. The chrome and these foils, sold. Absolutely sold. These are some cute glitters. I really don't be using the glitters, y'all. If you saw my Charm Box subscription review, you would know that I have so many of these. Like, look at the texture on this. I don't know if you can really understand the texture on this. It's looking really interesting. I don't know what I would do with it, but we're gonna see. It's so funny when I show you guys stuff. I actually get up sometimes and like look at the camera and see like, am I in frame? Because y'all know, if you've been following me from the beginning, I sometimes do not be in frame. So these little glitters, Super cute. I think this pink one is honestly my favorite. I don't know. The pink and gold is just like doing something. I don't even know, but look at this. Look at that. I mean, it's like, I don't know. I don't know if I can use these. I honestly be wishing I could do something fun, like some sort of art project, and use like all these glitters and stuff that I've gotten from Daily Charme, because I swear, like, they do not be getting used. But it's kind of a vibe. Like, I don't know. It's like they look cute. I love purple. Like, I love all these colors. But I'm like a super simple kind of girl, so I don't really know. I don't really know how it's gonna work. We're gonna see. Okay, so this is like the little molds, a 3D mold. Probably gonna edit out me opening paper. Or let me know, like, do you like the ASMR? Do you like all that, like the sounds and stuff like that? I just love how squishy it feels. And look, I already got pink glitter and shit all over it. Excuse my language. Please forgive me. If you're watching this and you're younger, charm boxes are great. But I mean, this is cute. I honestly feel like I don't need a mold for this. Y'all done gave me stuff. You know what I'm saying? Y'all done gave me little seashell stuff and whatever. So I don't be using little stuff like this, but maybe it'll come in hand later on. I don't know. We'll see. And these are kind of cute. I like the flowers. The flowers are a vibe. So is it even a point? But look at these purple, I mean, not purple, these blue flowers and the yellow and the pink and the white. I actually love all the flowers. Super cute, like pastel, soft. I don't know how I feel about these big gaudy pieces that are just like, I don't know, maybe like reminiscent of pearl. It's okay, but the flowers I really hope to use in some sort of a design. Here's another buffer. Gotta love a good buffer. I don't even know what that noise was. That's how excited I am about a good chrome. Like, are you kidding me? I used to wear some press-on nails that were like a blue chrome like this. Do you understand how excited I am? And I need to figure out, like, do you have to put it over blue? Because why am I even asking? They done gave me teal appeal, okay? Let's see what it looks like. Because it doesn't say it's glittery, and I'm like really excited about that because they be giving like glitter colors and I'm not like super into it. But this is really nice because now I'll be able to do this chrome. Yes, it's a nice chill blue. So I will be able to do me some blue chrome. I'm so excited. And do you understand like the value of these boxes, which I've already gone over in my subscription box video? Okay, so if you're really curious on all the other stuff and all my opinions about the charm box, like that's the video. But the fact that these colors, $18 for a gel color. So the chrome, I'm obsessed. Okay, didn't even see it. I knew any chrome, I love it. $25. This color, $18. Like you're already like pretty much at the value of the box in just these two items. Then you got these foils valued at $15. I have gotten the value of this box right here. I could have just gotten these 3 things and what's that, 15, 18, that's 33. Plus the 25. Oh my God, you're already, hello, a steal. And then you still got these other things. So if you like these other items, I mean, you're winning. You know what I mean? So I'm super excited. Did I get everything? This is the last thing. There's this color right here. And apparently this is a limited item. So let's see what this looks like. Flamingo Flare. Looks like a little glittery. Yeah, it says bring the heat with this sparkly coral pink. Oh wow, it's really sparkly. Oh my God. This is like Barbie, like I would do my daughter's nails with this. We're gonna see if I ever use this. And I have an old friend, Shout out to my old friend who we're not really friends anymore. But I like talk to her all the time about nails, and she loves pink. I love pink. But she's like such a pink girl. And this is the type of stuff that I would have given to her. But we're not talking. And even mentioning her right now, I'm like, should I text her? And I'm like, no, because I'm over it. So it's exciting. It's exciting. I really like the box. I don't really know if I'm going to use... Normally, I'd be like, I don't know if I'm going to use half the stuff in here. But this, you know, I'm in for it. And then I got my little chrome applicator. Oh, do you understand? Do you understand how I've been digging my finger into these and doing my chrome? And I'm so excited to just have something way better. And then my little tools. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Let's put some crystals in a box. Okay, so we got our cute little stickers. And I'm already like trying to think what's going to be my next nail idea. I have no idea. But I typically don't even open these because I don't even know where to put them. So now we can finally have a place to put our stuff. I'm so happy. So we're just gonna dump these in here. I don't want to waste these little crystals, but I ain't about to stress myself. All right. Come on. Okay, I'm not gonna cry about these last 4, okay? So, but look at how nice this is, and apparently it like helps them to turn around. Look at that. They're like already kind of turned around and lining up in here. So, oh, look at that. That picked up pretty easy, but kind of. So it's supposed to have like a sticky bottom, and you can like move it around. So this isn't sticky, but this is sticky. So it's supposed to stick, and then you can place it, well, it's not sticky, but you place it on the nail, okay? You get the point. You get the point. So we're gonna see if this was worth having, okay? Because I need to practice like some nail designs or something like that. But that was the point in me getting these. So I can put all of my rhinestones in a box, and you know, I can, they're typically always separated by color, like when they come in these different charm boxes. So this is a different color. The last one, I think it was like a whole bunch of blues. The one before that, it was a whole bunch of pinks, you know. So I got hella rhinestones to use on myself or on other people. So I'm really excited about these boxes. I do all my sets with Peel It Off and my little tool. And now this is our, but blue has been a thing. I don't know what's up with blue, throat chakra energy, but the blue has been a thing lately. So I'm not even going to get into all the stories, just how blue has been showing up in this last week. But I love this box because of these things. This was like super, super worth it for me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know how it's going with your nails, girl. And I'll talk to you soon. Peace and blessings.